It's cake time, look.
Oh, she's sugar.
And present time. More important. Alright. I'm opening this one first. One of the people that I made got me this. What do you think it is? Oh my gosh.
Do you want to
Am I allowed to put this on?
Yeah, did you want to cut it?
Oh, it's a...
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Ew.
What do you guys think? We want to know. Comment below. Wow, thank you. This is great.
That's nice.
Be right back. Back. Alright. Say hi, you guys. Present time. Comment below if you like presents.
There's a card too.
The card, I just go
The
right,
card's in the bag.
right past the card.
Read the card. I think you'll like the card.
Alright.
I got my
Alright. What's this queen for a day crap? Oh, there's me money in here.
Oh.
It's an empty card. Okay.
The message was nice.
Hey, Michelle, wishing you a sweet, happy, and joyful day. And I can't even read. Did you get me glasses?
No,
I need some readers. Okay. As this is what happens when you guys get old. I even had LASIK. And like, joy is gonna take like an hour. Joyful day. Okay. Love you. Happy birthday, much love. Durando.
Yeah.
Oh, Miriam and Durando. Okay. Yeah, this is what happens when you get old, you guys. You can't read without readers.
The
You
the sentiment behind it is everyone says you're a queen for the day for your birthday, but I'm like, no, you're a fucking queen every day. Come on.
says my Golden Glory lawyer. If you guys ever need a lawyer, comment below. We have the best. Alright. Full service. Oh, yay! I always wanted one of these.
I think everybody needs one.
Yes, everyone does.
Yeah.
Duh.
Yes, facts. Yes.
Cute.
Alright, there we
go.
And we have from Tyrone. He is my latest Airbnb guest.
Is it?
As a 5-star host. Happy B-Day! Oh, that's cool. For the Bay Area, number one backyard big me. Oh, I thought it was me money. Oh, it is. He gave me $1 when your guest gives you $1. Here's $1. The economy is fucked up. LMAO. Hope you have a sense of humor. I get the best Airbnb guests. I don't know about you guys, but mine are the best. But I'm very picky and I'm very expensive. Worth every penny. Right, Tyrone? Be happy, be silly, be wild, be free, be awesome, be yourself. From Tyrone. To Michelle. Whatever you do, be sure to have fun. Be love your heart because we ain't never gonna be less. Thank you for everything for you and your family. Everything you seek or want starts from within this year or any other. Says Tyrone. Alright, well, we will chat. I don't know when, but comment below. Let me know what you want to talk about and where you want to go next. Alright, gotta go. Bye.